Ingredients: lemon 2, honey 1 tablespoon, turmeric 1 pinch, fresh cream or malai 2 tablespoons. Squeeze the juice of 2 lemons in a bowl. Add a pinch of turmeric. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients well. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh malai. Mix well so that all the ingredients are combined. Leave it on the face for 20 minutes. Apply the mixture on the face with a cotton ball. After 20 minutes, wash the face with face wash after gentle hand massage. Use once a week in summer and use twice a week in winter. Reviews. This mask will really be very useful for your skin. Using this face mask every week will clear the complexion. Facial scars will disappear. Skin will be soft and shiny. The lemon present in the mask will act as a natural bleach on the skin. So use a pinch only.
جمال الوجود بذكر الإله